Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some work/travel bags that I think you're really going to like, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So the brand I'm going to be talking about today is a brand called Carter, and just to be upfront straight off the bat, these bags were gifted to me, but I'm under no obligation to create this video. I'm not being paid to do so or anything like that. They were sent to me and I really love them, so I thought you might like to hear about them. So I don't know about you, but when it comes to work bags, there's not really that many that are both practical and look really good and really high quality. It's just not a thing that you come across really. So when I found this brand, I couldn't believe how good the bag looked and also just how practical it was. For me, for work, if I'm out and about, I do carry my laptop, carry my diary, I carry my chargers, I carry a lot with me. So I do tend to need a big bag, but I've just never found one that's really worked in being practical and really pretty as well. So I'm going to show you what I've got here. They do a couple of styles at the moment, so I've got both styles and in different colourways as well. So let's jump right in. So the first bag that I have is the tote style bag, and just before I go any further, I just want to point out as well that all of their leather is vegan leather and it's all really sustainably made, so that's a really great thing about this brand to note. So this is the bag here. It is huge, as you can see. This comes in 3 different colourways. So this one is the tan colour. It's all got gold hardware, and I'll just point out some of the features of the bag. So firstly is this little strap here, which is for your luggage. So if you're going somewhere with a suitcase, you can put the suitcase handle through there and sort of stand this on top of your suitcase. So that's a really good feature. You've also got a little pocket on the front there, zip pocket, which always comes in really handy. On the side, you've got another 2 pockets, which is really good for my phone when I want to just quickly grab it. So that's really great. The hardware details are all really nice as well. I don't know if you can see there, it's got Carter on the zip, and on the back it's got a little gold little button there with the C on. It's just really well made and well thought out. The top, you have a little clasp to keep the handles together, so you can undo that, and then you have a big zip across the top. And inside, one of the main things that I love about these is that beautiful blue turquoisey colour on the inside. It's just really nice, and it makes it easy to see all of your things on the inside. What I love about this is it comes with a separate laptop sort of little sleeve in there, so I'll just get rid of that for now. So this is the laptop sleeve, which you can use on its own, which is really good. It's got this long strap that you could just put over your shoulder if all you needed to carry was your laptop with you. That's really great. It's padded, so it's going to be great protection. Again, it's got the beautiful zipper on the top, and again it's got the same beautiful blue turquoisey lining on there. Just feels really nice quality. It's got the little C on the hardware there, so that's that. You can choose to use that on its own, or you can keep it in the bag itself, and it acts as like a little separator if you do keep it in there. But I'll take it out for now. Inside the bag, you've got 2 pockets on the back, and then if I flip it round, you've got a zip pocket there as well. So lots of pockets, lots of storage, and it's just absolutely huge. As you can see, you can fit so much in here. It would be a great overnight bag if you're going away for work. You need your work stuff, but you need extra clothes and things. It is huge, and the strap is adjustable, so you can have it any length. You can have it shorter to just wear over your shoulder, make it longer to put it crossbody. I'll show you how it looks on me at the end so you can see sort of what size it is and everything, but that's just a little overview of the tan tote bag. The next style I'm going to share with you is more of a backpack style. Now, I didn't know which one I prefer out of the 2. I thought I would like the tote bag, but after trying them and wearing them, I think I do like the backpack slightly more, just because it's very versatile and easy to carry with the straps. So the other style that they have is more of a backpack style bag, and I wasn't sure at first which one I'd like more. I thought I'd lean more towards the tote bag, but actually after having the backpack and using it and wearing it, I think I do slightly prefer that one, although sorry, my dog has just come to interrupt my filming. Here he is. He is Ralph. This is so crazy to watch back some of my old videos and see him as a puppy. And now he is definitely not a puppy. No. He's the star of the show. Right, you can go back down. Sorry about that intrusion. Right, so the first one that I got was the black one. So if you just look at that, visually it just looks really, really professional, really good quality. I just love the sort of boxiness of it. It almost looks like a little mini suitcase, and it kind of is because of how much it fits in. Again, it's got all the beautiful hardware details on the little buttons and the zips. Really, really great. Obviously on the back you've got your straps, and also similar to the tote bag, you've got your little luggage strap that goes over your suitcase handles. So on the bottom here there is a zip, and that opens up this gap so that you could put your suitcase handle through there, and then again that will sit on top of your suitcase really nicely. So that's a good little feature to have. And then again you've got the little clasp to keep the handles together. Open that, and inside you've got the same beautiful blue interior. With this one, instead of having the removable laptop sleeve, you've got this sort of built-in one at the back. So you put your laptop in there and then you can strap it closed using that little press stud button. And then on the other side, again, you've got a zip compartment there to keep whatever you like in. Again, look at that, it opens up really, really wide, so you can fit so much in there. I've used this as an overnight bag when I don't need to take too much with me, but it's great for one night. You could use it on a weekend, but mainly I use it for work because I just like how it looks as well as how practical it is. Also, another great feature about the backpack in particular is if you didn't want to use the straps or you just wanted them to be out of the way, you can unhook the little D-ring. So you can take that off and then you can just tuck in the straps. So you can just tuck those in so they're not in the way, they're not hanging out, they're not dangling about. If you just want to carry it with the top handle, you can do that and it becomes a bit more streamlined. So just like the tote, this also comes in two other colours. So I've got them to show you here. I've got the tan one, which is the same as my tote bag. And then it also comes in this really nice pink colour. So I've got all three colourways, which is amazing. And to be honest, I do use them all. So there's not one that I prefer most. It just depends on what I'm wearing that day. Yeah, the colours are amazing. And on the pink one, this one has a bit of a two-tone effect with the white sort of piping around there, which is really, really nice as well, and just a nice little feature. So what I'll do now is I'll just do some little mod shots so you can see how they look on me. I'm 5'3", 5'4", just so you can see how they look on my body shape and the different ways that you can wear them as well, because they are really, really versatile. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave any links to Carter down below. As I said, I wasn't obligated to share this video, but as a bag lover and as fellow bag lovers, I thought you might like to hear about these because I think they're really, really great. So I think you will too. So again, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. So many of you watch and don't subscribe, so I'd love it if you could please press that button. It would make my day. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.